Butterfly, although it is one of the insects, but it is the most beautiful insect at all. God loved it with a gentle and charming nature, bright colors, and many words of poetry and thoughts were said about it, and many legends revolved around it, and its mention is related to roses and flowers, and it is known that butterflies abound in a season spring. It lives all over the world, and it is suitable for all environments, and it is spread in forests, orchards, fields, and in cold mountain highlands and hot desert areas, but most butterflies live in the tropics. The number of known types of butterflies reaches more than 20,000 species, the largest of which is male butterfly of the Queen Alexandra bird wing, in New Guinea and in the Papua regions, and it is so large that its wingspan reaches about 28 centimeters, and it is ranked second in size. A female butterfly called Goliath birdwing. The smallest known butterfly in the world is the western blue dwarf butterfly, which is found abundantly in North American countries, where the longest wingspan of its wings is 1 centimeter. Butterfly enemies are represented by birds and insects. Butterflies use many of their weapons to defend themselves, and among these weapons is that they resort to protection in colors, as if they shelter in the leaves of trees, and between flowers, and they also have several chemical defenses, by launching a repulsive smell that disturbs the insects that attack the butterflies. The butterflies also have an unpalatable taste, to feed the larvae on the bitter saplings of plants, so any animal preyed on a butterfly avoids other predation when trying its taste, and there are also poisonous butterflies, such as the Bodotricha and the Heliconian butterfly, and the monarch butterfly. The main food of butterfly is nectar, plant fluids. Butterflies have 5 main senses, namely the sense of touch, the sense of hearing, the sense of smell, the sense of sight, the sense of taste, and the sense of taste that has a very strong and amazing, and it is known that the sense of taste of the butterfly is found in its feet. The life cycle of a butterfly passes through 4 different stages, which are the egg, and then the egg hatch out the larva, and the larva grows into a cocoon, and then it develops into a final-shaped butterfly. The speed of some types of butterflies on the fly to about 48 hours per kilometer. Butterflies breathe through small holes located on either side of their body. Butterflies are warm-blooded organisms, so they are not conducive to cold climates, resorting to cold hibernation, or migrating to warm regions. The butterfly is fed according to the stages of its life as follows. Egg. An adult female butterfly lays eggs on plants, and these plants turn into food for larvae that hatch. Larvae. The larvae eat as much food as possible, and they feed on anything that is in their way as they progress to eat the eggshell, and it is possible to eat approximately 20 times their weight. They also store the food you eat, so that you can use it later when they are adults, in addition to when she changes her skin and throws it about 4 to 5 times. Transitional phase. The larva becomes in the growth phase, pupa, when its growth is complete. Adult butterfly. The function of an adult butterfly is to mate and lay eggs, as some types of bed do not eat food at all, while others may get energy by feeding on the nectar of some flowers, as it contains a lot of sugars, and small amounts of protein, vitamins, and different flavors, and it is indicated that you can drink fruit juice or feed on dung. The importance of butterfly in our life. Natural silk whose beauty is unmatched by artificial silk. It is produced from the cocoon in which the silkworm lives until it becomes an adult butterfly. The butterfly is an aesthetic source, as it adorns nature with its beautiful colors and movements. The butterfly is useful for the pollination process. When she travels between flowers, look for nectar. The butterfly is food for some birds, such as bats, and some insects, like spiders.